Hey everyone, Robbie here. Remember a couple years ago when we long lined in a new staircase to Kanarra Falls? Well, the City of Kanarraville called us again and they said they needed a new upgraded staircase for those falls, and we were more than excited to do it again. And we called up one of our assistant chief pilots, Pete Newman, and he flew our 206 in there, got the old staircase out, the new one in. I think you're gonna love the way that it looks. We got some great footage, take a look.
We're at Kanarra Falls and we are installing another set of stairs for the town of Kanarraville via SUU Aviation.
everyone. I hope you liked that video. I sure like the way that new staircase looks. I hope you do too. Go ahead and comment below. Let us know what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.